Hello there. So how to fix your Outlook not opening? The first thing you're going to do right now is make sure that you run it as an admin. To do that one, type in Outlook, right click, and run as administrator. Now if that works, that means that you just have to restart your PC, and basically after restarting your PC, your Outlook will run normally. Now for example, that still doesn't work. Let's try opening up Outlook in safe mode. You can do that one by typing run command right there. Should be this one right here. Now once you're in here, type in Outlook, like so, space, forward slash, and that will be safe. So if that part right there, running it as safe mode is going to be okay and opening it up, meaning your Outlook has a problem regarding add-ins. To make this work, click on File right there, looking for Options. Now looking for add-ins, make sure click in here, click on Go, and everything you see here, make sure you remove them. Deselect everything, and moving forward, make sure you'll be good to go. So remove everything that's causing your problems. Now, for example, the problem still persists, even though deleting the add-ins, running as admin, and basically, it still doesn't open up on your end. What you can do right now is basically removing and reinstalling Outlook. To do that one, basically type in apps and features, like so. Or for this one, let me just go back. I have a better way for you. Type in add or remove programs. In here, looking for Outlook. For example, let's just say that this is Outlook, okay? Because I really can't find Outlook in here. So let's just say this same option is going to be Outlook. Right click and then reinstall it. And uninstall it one more time. And then after reinstalling it, your Outlook will be fixed. Easy as that.